In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Fortnite with two players on the same console on the Nintendo Switch and whether or not it is possible to do this. You are probably aware of Fortnite being played on split screen. This is a process that's quickly done on some consoles like Xbox or PlayStation. However, the method of doing this for some reason doesn't work on the Nintendo Switch. What you're supposed to do is open up the game with the primary or player 1 controller connected, and you will be able, or you should be able, to connect the second controller and assign a new account to play split screen with. However, like I said, for some reason this doesn't work on Nintendo Switch. This is because sadly, as of today, the hardware on the Nintendo Switch does not support running two instances of Fortnite at once in playing split screen, as you can see over here. This feature is currently only available on PlayStation or Xbox, and sadly Epic Games hasn't added it to Nintendo Switch. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that as of today, it is still impossible to play split screen on the Nintendo Switch. This only works for Xbox and PlayStation. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.